Hey guys, Austin out here with ICI Homes. Currently standing in front of the newest slab we've poured in the Weston community. We've got 3 units here, 2 of which are going to be our brand new Fleming floor plan, which we're super excited about. Everyone should go check that out on our website at icihomes.com. But just wanted to showcase this property a little bit. Location-wise is incredible. We're right here in front of a huge lake, literally a stone's throw to the YMCA. Close to the town center, all the good stuff Nocatee has to offer. You can see behind me here, we got the framework ready to go. We'll be starting that next week. This will be complete in probably about 5 or so months. At this current stage, you may be able to select a few finishes, which is pretty unique for West End. So definitely come check it out. Look forward to seeing you. Again, visit icihomes.com for more details. Thanks.